What's up, gang? Back once again, and it's time to upgrade that battery in that MacBook Air. This thing is like a 2012, I think I got it in 2012 or 2013, but it's been running like really strong. Hadn't had any issues out of it, but it's time to upgrade the battery. Yeah, so once you get that message, you probably don't have much longer. I'm not going to wait it out. I'm just going to upgrade the battery. I upgraded some other things. I'm sure you guys have seen those videos, which I'll put it down below in a link. So I chose to go with the newer technology, new power battery, and I did get it from eShop.MacSales.com. That's where I did get the other parts. This is the battery. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. Everything that I need should be inside of here. I think I actually got the screwdrivers that I needed originally with my hard drive when I updated the hard drive. This is the battery, and I see the two screwdrivers right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Two screwdrivers and the battery. This is a real simple process. This will be my first time doing it, but it's real simple. Anybody can do this. If your MacBook is running out of power, certain models, of course, the older ones, you can just upgrade your battery. I don't know about the newer ones, but I do know these particular models, you can upgrade the batteries. Not a problem at all. So just like that, guys, it's done. Let me tell you why I went with this battery. It's because it meets or exceeds the factory specification, which is great. Because this battery, like I said, I had this computer, man, 2012, 2013, one or two, I'm not sure. And I hadn't had any issues out of it. I'm upgraded to the latest operating system. That's the one thing I like about Mac. I mean, Apple, I'm not an Apple fanboy, but for me, it just worked. I would love to get the new one, but as I stated earlier, can't afford it, so I'm going to just keep on upgrading this one if need be. I don't think I need to do anything else now. I wish I could upgrade the memory. The memory, I'm not going to say can't be upgraded, but it's a little bit more you have to do to upgrade it, and I can do it, but I just don't want to do it. I don't want to take the time to do it because you have to desolder some things and resolder some. I'm just not going to deal with it. But another great thing about it, it comes with everything that you need So it comes with both the screwdrivers. I think these are the same size that came with the hard drive that I bought from that same website. So you got the one with the green dot, and then you also have the one with the blue dot. I forgot the sizes, but you'll see it in the specs. You'll see it in the description on the box. Even if you listen to the video that they have on there, you'll see it. You'll hear it in the description. But I just want to show you guys this, how simple it is. So hopefully I can help someone out that has a MacBook and they need to upgrade their battery. Till next time, this is Day in the Life of Course. Thanks for watching.